In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the unknown USB device descriptor request failed error. It's quite simple. Let's get started. You want to start by pressing hold on your Windows plus R key to bring on the run function. Now type in power cfg.cpl and click OK. Now you might see multiple power plan, and you might see balance, ultimate performance, or power saver. All you need to do is select the particular power plan you are using and change plan settings. Now go to change advanced power settings, and here you want to go ahead and look for USB settings and expand it. Now go ahead and expand USB selective suspend settings. Now if you are on laptop, you will see these two options on battery and plugged in. So you want to go ahead and disable both of them, and for your PC you might only see one option. Now you want to go back to power options, choose what the power button do. Now go ahead and click change settings that are currently unavailable. Go ahead and uncheck the turn on fast startup and save changes. Now go ahead and close it and simply restart your computer. Once restarted, go to your start and go to device manager and go ahead and look for your universal serial box controller, and your problem is solved. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.